Hi guys, welcome to Let's Accelerate. My name is Tariq and I'm back again with a new video. So guys, in the previous video we discussed about the data types of the number and the text. So this is the third video of the data types, and we have explained each of the data types in the previous videos. In this video we will be learning about the dates and the times data types. Excel treats dates and the time as special types of numeric values, although dates and times are number. But Excel displays these as dates or time for better understanding the data for user. If you work with Excel and the times, you need to understand Excel's date and time system. So before we start, let me inform you that if you're watching our video first time and want to learn Excel from very basic, then you can watch this series from the beginning. I have shared the link of the playlist in the description and in eye icon of this video. If you're watching this video on YouTube, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification when we upload a new video. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, then don't forget to like and follow our page. So not wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, let's start with the date format. So Excel handles dates by using a serial number like this: 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8. So this is the serial number we have, and this is in general format. If we change the format into date, it will become a date. So this is how Excel convert it from number to date. So the earliest date that Excel understand is the January 1900. So this is the earliest date, and this date has a serial number of 1. January 2 has serial number of 2. January 3 has serial number of 3 of the 1900. So let me show you the example. I select all of them and I click over here and click on short date, and this is how I can see the date I have. And if I want, I can convert again into the number. So every date is a number behind the scene, because when the number is updated, we are not able to understand the number. Suppose like we have the 15 December 2020. So if Excel converts into the number only, so we will not be understand that what exactly is this. It's 44,180. I'm not able to understand what is this, but when I click on date format, I can easily understand that this is the 15 December 2020. So this is only for our understanding, although in behind the scene the Excel is already calculating that into the number. And if you're still not sure about this, let me do one more thing for you. Let me write another date, 31st December 2020, and let's minus this from this. Look what I get. So I got the 16 days difference between these two dates. This is how Excel calculate. So if I convert these into the number, I can easily calculate those. So if I minus this from this, I'll get this. So this is how Excel calculates. This was for your better understanding that Excel calculate by converting into the number behind the scene. So if you're thinking that you have to memorize all those numbers, you don't need to worry about this. You don't need to be concerned with the Excel serial number date system. We can simply enter a date in a date format, and Excel takes care of the details behind the scenes. Like I enter the 1st June 2019. We can easily enter the date by typing 1 June 2019, or we can choose other date format if we want. Excel accepts our entry and stores the value. It stores this value, which is the serial number of this date. So now moving on to the time format. So when you work with times, you extend Excel's date serial number to include decimals. Actually, the time is a fraction of day. Let me give you the example that the date serial number of this date is this. If I want to make it the afternoon of this day, what I'll do, well, I'll add 5 after decimal, and when I convert it into the time, it will be 12 o'clock. Here you can see the entire date. It's June 1st 2019, 12 p.m. although time is 12 p.m. This is very simple and logical way, because the time is a fraction of the day. So because the 24 hours makes a day, and that's why we add the number after decimal, and it makes time. Like I said, the time is a fraction of day. What if I mention the 12:00 or I mention 12:01? So this is the time we have. We don't need to worry about the number which Excel gives us when we convert into the number. This is for the understanding that if I convert it into the number, it is showing that 0.500694. That's the fraction of a day. So that's why Excel shows it after the decimal. So again, we normally don't have to be concerned with the serial number or the fractional series of times. All you need to do is to just enter the time into a cell in a recognized format. In this case, all you need to do is to just mention the 1/6/2020 and space, and after that you have to mention 12, and here you are. So this is all for today about the data types, part 3, and in the next video we will be discussing about the cell modes in Excel. So if you think that our video was helpful, so please like and share our video with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, so please don't forget to follow and like our page, and keep watching Let's Accelerate. Thank you very much.